ready to unlock the full potential of your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In this video, we're diving into the 11 best apps you absolutely need to take your iPhone experience to the next level. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, capture stunning photos, or simply elevate your everyday routine, these must-have apps will transform how you use your device. Stick around as I'll break down the ultimate apps that will make your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max shine. You won't want to miss a single one. Let's get started. Number 1. Pixelmator Pro. Looking for a powerful, easy-to-use photo editing app? Let me introduce you to Pixelmator Pro, the ultimate tool for creative minds. Pixelmator Pro combines advanced photo editing tools with a simple, intuitive interface, making it perfect for both professionals and beginners. With AI-powered features like super resolution and machine learning, enhance your images with just one click and let technology do the heavy lifting for you. Create stunning visuals effortlessly. Whether you're adjusting colors, retouching photos, or designing custom graphics, Pixelmator Pro has everything you need. Want to take your designs to the next level? From quick edits to professional level retouching, Pixelmator Pro gives you pro-grade results in no time. Plus, Pixelmator Pro integrates seamlessly with macOS, making it easy to export, share, and showcase your work. Ready to take your creativity to new heights? Try Pixelmator Pro today and transform your vision into reality. Number 2. Notion. Just like Pixelmator Pro helps you unleash your creativity, Notion takes that creativity and organizes it into actionable steps. Let's dive into how this all-in-one app can simplify your life. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's your personal command center. Capture your ideas, manage your projects, and collaborate with your team all in one place. From creating detailed to-do lists to managing complex projects, Notion gives you the power to fully customize your workspace, making it as simple or as advanced as you need. Whether you're working solo or with a team, Notion's real-time collaboration makes it easy to share ideas, track progress, and stay on the same page. Notion comes packed with ready-made templates to jumpstart your workflow. From project management to personal journaling, there's a template for everything. Take your workspace anywhere with seamless syncing across all your devices. Whether you're at your desk or on the move, Notion keeps you connected, ready to stay organized and boost your productivity. Try Notion today and turn chaos into clarity. Number 3. LumaFusion. After organizing your life with Notion, it's time to bring your creative ideas to life with LumaFusion, the go-to mobile app for professional video editing on the move. LumaFusion lets you take full control of your video projects. Right from your phone or tablet, with its intuitive interface and professional-grade features, you can edit like a pro, anytime, anywhere. Want to edit with precision? LumaFusion's multi-track timeline allows you to work with up to 6 video and audio tracks, giving you the flexibility to create complex edits effortlessly. Achieve cinematic perfection with advanced color correction tools. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, or add professional-grade LUTs to give your video that polished cinematic feel. LumaFusion doesn't just handle video, it offers powerful audio tools too. Easily add voiceovers, sound effects, and fine-tune audio levels to make your videos sound as great as they look. Ready to share your masterpiece? With quick export options, LumaFusion lets you publish your content in various resolutions and frame rates, making it perfect for YouTube, social media, or professional projects. So whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just starting out, LumaFusion gives you the tools to edit like a pro. Ready to turn your footage into magic? Download LumaFusion today and start creating. Number 4. Fantastical. While LumaFusion empowers you to edit videos like a pro, Fantastical ensures you have the perfect schedule to manage your projects and deadlines, making it a must-have for creators and professionals alike. Say goodbye to cluttered schedules. With Fantastical, you get an elegant and intuitive calendar that helps you view your day, week, or month at a glance, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your tasks. Adding events is a breeze with Fantastical's natural language input. Just type or speak your event in plain English, and Fantastical will automatically create the event for you. It's that simple. Fantastical is more than just a calendar. It integrates weather forecasts, manages multiple time zones, and even connects with video conferencing apps like Zoom, making sure you never miss an important meeting or event. With multiple calendar support, Fantastical keeps your work, personal, and family schedules organized, so you can switch between them effortlessly without missing a beat. Need more than just events? Plus, Fantastical's built-in reminders and tasks keep you on track throughout the day. Add deadlines, set priorities, and never miss another to-do. Ready to make your scheduling smarter, faster, and easier? Download Fantastical today and let it turn your chaotic calendar into a streamlined masterpiece. Number 5, 1Password. Just as Fantastical helps you stay on schedule, 1Password helps you stay secure because being organized and protected are the keys to productivity and peace of mind. Say goodbye to password anxiety. With 1Password, you can securely store all your passwords, credit card details, and sensitive information in a single vault, protected by industry-leading encryption. Tired of weak or repetitive passwords? 1Password automatically generates strong, unique passwords for every account, so you can keep hackers at bay and never reuse a password again. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or desktop, 1Password is there. Your vault syncs across all your devices, meaning you can access your secure information from anywhere, anytime. Log in a flash. With 1Password's autofill feature, you can instantly sign into websites and apps without having to manually type your credentials ever again. Need to share passwords with family or your team? 1Password makes it safe and simple to share login info with only the people you trust, while keeping it encrypted and secure. Stop juggling passwords and start focusing on what really matters. Download 1Password today and secure your digital life with confidence. Number 6, GoodNotes. 6. After locking down your passwords with 1Password, why not unlock your creativity with GoodNotes 6? It's time to take your digital notes to the next level. GoodNotes 6 isn't just a note-taking app. It's your digital notebook. Whether you're taking class notes, jotting down ideas, or sketching concepts, GoodNotes turns your handwriting into searchable, organized content. Keeping your notes organized is effortless with GoodNotes. Create multiple notebooks, customize covers, and drag and drop your notes into folders for seamless organization. Have messy handwriting? No problem. GoodNotes 6 lets you instantly convert your handwritten notes to text, so everything stays neat and editable. Collaborate in real time. Share your notes with classmates or colleagues, or even annotate PDFs directly within the app. GoodNotes is perfect for students, professionals, and creatives alike. Never miss a beat. GoodNotes 6 syncs across all your devices so you can access and edit your notes wherever you go, on your phone, tablet, or desktop. Ready to elevate your note-taking game? Download GoodNotes 6 today and turn your ideas into perfectly organized digital notes. Number 7, Apollo for Reddit. Now that you've mastered your notes with GoodNotes 6, it's time to master your Reddit feed with Apollo, the app that makes browsing a breeze. Apollo takes Reddit to the next level with a beautifully designed, lightning-fast interface. Whether you're catching up on news, memes, or diving into niche communities, Apollo delivers a smooth, distraction-free experience, perfect for both casual browsing and deep dives. Navigating Reddit has never been this easy. With Apollo's intuitive, gesture-based controls, you can upvote, downvote, and switch between posts and comments, all with a simple swipe. Tired of clunky media viewers? Apollo's full-screen media viewer lets you enjoy photos, videos, and GIFs with stunning clarity without ever leaving the app. Apollo is all about making Reddit yours. Customize everything, from themes and icons to how you view posts. Tailor it exactly to your liking and make it feel truly personal. Looking for that specific post or subreddit? Apollo's powerful search function helps you quickly find posts, comments, and communities, so you can spend less time searching and more time engaging. Even when you're offline, Apollo's got you covered. Browse your favorite subreddits and catch up on posts even when you don't have a connection. Perfect for commutes and travel. Ready to take your Reddit experience to the next level? Download Apollo for Reddit today and browse the internet's favorite forum like never before. Trust me, you won't want to go back to the regular Reddit app. Number 8, Gentler Streak Fitness Tracker. After staying in the loop on Reddit with Apollo, let's shift gears and focus on your well-being with Gentler Streak, the fitness tracker that prioritizes your health without the pressure. Unlike typical fitness apps that push you to hit harder every day, Gentler Streak strikes a balance between progress and recovery. It helps you stay active, but at a pace that suits your body's needs. With Gentler Streak, every workout is based on what your body needs, not just what's trending. It adapts to how you feel, giving you recommendations to keep moving without overdoing it. The activity path keeps track of your progress over time, showing both your active days and your well-deserved rest days. This gives you a clearer picture of your overall health, not just today's results. Feeling worn out? Gentler Streak knows when it's time to take it easy and encourages rest days to help prevent burnout and injury. From heart rate to sleep quality, Gentler Streak syncs all your health data, offering you a complete view of your fitness journey because health is more than just workouts. Ready to embrace fitness with kindness? Download Gentler Streak today and start building a healthier, more balanced lifestyle, one step at a time. Number 9, carrot weather. After mastering your fitness routine with Gentler Streak, let's switch gears and talk about another essential, the weather. But this time, we're spicing it up with a twist of attitude. Meet Carrot Weather, the app that delivers your forecast with sarcasm and sass. Carrot. Weather doesn't just tell you if it's sunny or raining. It delivers the forecast with a punch of personality. Whether it's clear skies or a thunderstorm, expect snarky comments and laugh-out-loud humor with every update. Customize your forecast exactly the way you like it. From widget layouts to sarcastic levels, Carrot lets you tweak the app to match your style and sense of humor. But don't let the jokes fool you. Carrot Weather is incredibly accurate. With data sourced from top weather providers, it gives you precise forecasts down to the minute. Perfect for planning your day with confidence. Need more than just sunshine updates? Set up severe weather alerts, and Carrot will make sure you're prepared, complete with a side of sarcastic warning. As if accurate forecasts and humor weren't enough, Carrot Weather also features fun, hidden challenges. Unlock secret locations around the globe and turn your weather checking routine into an adventure. Ready for a forecast with personality? Download Carrot Weather today and make checking the weather your favorite part of the day. Sarcasm included. Number 10, Waterllama, water tracker. After getting your daily weather forecast with a dash of attitude from Carrot Weather, it's time to focus on a more serious life essential, water. But don't worry, Waterllama makes tracking hydration fun and motivating. Waterllama is the hydration tracker that turns drinking water into a game. Choose your adorable llama buddy and watch it grow as you reach your daily water goals. Who knew staying hydrated could be this fun? Logging your water intake is as easy as tapping a button. Every sip gets you closer to hydration success, and the app rewards you with fun animations as you hit your milestones. Not just a water fan? Waterllama lets you log all kinds of drinks, whether it's coffee, tea, or juice, and it automatically adjusts your hydration goals based on what you drink. Need a little nudge? Waterllama sends gentle reminders to keep you sipping throughout the day, ensuring you stay on track to reach your daily goal. Want to see your progress? Waterllama provides easy-to-read graphs so you can track your hydration habits over time and celebrate your improvements. Ready to stay hydrated the fun way? Download Waterllama today and make reaching your water goals a daily celebration. Number 11, Lumy. Now that you've got your hydration in check with Waterllama, let's talk about timing, because catching the perfect light is just as important. Enter Lumy, your new sun tracking companion. Whether you're a photographer, filmmaker, or just someone who loves being outdoors, Lumy helps you track the sun's exact position. Want to capture that golden hour magic? Lumy's got you covered with precision timing for sunrises, sunsets, and everything in between. Never miss a stunning shot again. Set customizable notifications to remind you when the golden hour or blue hour is about to start, so you can be ready to capture the most beautiful moments of the day. Lumy is more than just an app for photographers. It's perfect for anyone who wants to plan their day around the sun. Whether you're hiking, having an outdoor event, or just want to watch a beautiful sunset, Lumy helps you find the perfect time. Traveling? No problem. With Lumy, you can track sunlight conditions from anywhere in the world, so you're always prepared, no matter where your adventures take you. Lumy even syncs with your calendar, helping you plan your activities around the best light without missing a beat. It's the ultimate tool for precision timing and maximizing your productivity. Ready to elevate your outdoor moments? Download Lumy today and never miss the perfect light again. Whether it's for a photo, a hike, or simply to enjoy the view, Lumy makes the sun work for you. And there you have it, the 11 must-have apps to supercharge your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. From creativity and productivity to staying organized and having fun, these apps are designed to enhance every part of your day. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and app recommendations to make the most out of your tech. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy app exploring!